always find your way.
Hey guys, it's Amber from ambamslife, of course. Today's video is an exciting video. I'm doing a farmhouse DIY. I haven't done any DIYs since, I want to say maybe Christmas. That whole month of December, I was just doing all types of different videos. So it's been a while. And I love DIYs and I love sharing affordable DIYs with you guys. So I'm really excited for today's video and how it's all going to turn out. Also, I want to let you guys know that this is also a collab with one of my sweet friends here on YouTube. She's like my long lost soul sister, Shanthi, over from Shanthi's Lifestyle. I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself real quick and then I'll continue on.
Hi everybody, my name is Shanthi from Shanthi's Lifestyle. You guys, today I'm also gonna be doing a DIY. Hopefully you'll come check my video out after you're done watching Amber's wonderful DIY. There's a lot of different things I do on my channel, from cleaning motivation, organization, hauls, home decor, some DIYs. So hopefully you'll like what you see if you come over, and hopefully subscribe. I hope to see you guys there. Bye.
So if you are coming over from Shanthi's channel, hello, I hope you decide to stick around, check out some of my playlists I have on my channel. I do everything from cleaning, planning, lifestyle videos, just everything. I like to share and connect all of my life with you guys and just sharing my personality. What better way to connect than doing that? So let's get into this DIY. I'm going to create a farmhouse sign for the wall and I'm really excited to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I originally wanted to go with to put it on a board, but the boarding I had at the house already was too small for the letters that I have. So I decided I'm gonna do it a little bit different and let's see how it turns out. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that you need for this DIY. All in all, it was super cheap and affordable. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, you guys, so this is kind of what I'm working with. I got my letters here. I'm gonna make one of those cute home signs. And like I said, originally I wanted it to go on some boarding, but I didn't have the right sizing and I totally forgot to hit up Home Depot and get some new boards. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna work with what I got and I'm gonna still make this turn out cute. So I got my letters here, and for the O, I'm gonna use the wreath, and then I got some greenery I'm gonna add up in there. I got the wreath from the Dollar Tree, a good old dollar, and then the greenery I got from Walmart. I paid 97 cents. I got 3 bundles. I'm probably not even gonna need all of that. We shall see, but I got 3 just in case. And my letters I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $2 or $2.50 a piece, and one of them I got 40% off with that coupon. And then I had some white spray paint on hand, so instead of buying some other paint, normally I would use like craft paint, I decided I'm just gonna use this white paint that I already had in the house because like I said, I love DIYs and I have tons of this stuff everywhere. So this is everything we're gonna need, and possibly a hot glue gun. We shall see. I might not even need it. We'll see how it all goes. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw together this little wreath with the greenery, and then I'll go ahead and spray paint my letters. It's snowing here, so this is exciting. I'm gonna be out on my porch and it's kind of icky and wet and it's like freezing rain. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the greenery into this wreath. Now you guys might want to actually get some actual wire cutters. Every time I go to the store, I walk right past them and I still use scissors. It works, but it can be a struggle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut down the pieces and then try to place them in the wreath. I'm basically just tucking them in. I ended up not using the glue gun because I just decided I can just kind of stick them through the wreath and they were pretty snug. So I ended up just spray painting down in my basement. I just laid down some cardboard and I did do 2 coats. So I did do my thumb test and it passed. It was dry, so it's time to go ahead and place it and get it up on the wall. So this is currently what I have up. and I'm going to place it in this spot. This has been on this wall since I moved into this house, so it's been up here for about a good 4 years. It's not mixing with the rest of my little farmhouse themes I got going on. So, goodbye old friend, on to new. And this is how it turned out. I am in love with this, you guys. It turned out so pretty. This was seriously the easiest DIY I've done by far, and it was so cheap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to go ahead and create some farmhouse DIY pieces around your home. Also, don't forget to head over to Shanthi's channel, check out and see what she created for her DIY. Let her know I said hello. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.